Step 9. Assign your personal address and contact number. A while ago, we register and fill out our personal information, which includes our name and birth date. But this time we will fill out your address and contact number to track down its delivery and billing address. Under your Addresses tab, type in your address, city, zip, or postal code, country, home phone, or mobile phone. In additional information text box, you may add information such as special packaging or handling, and recipient name, if not the customer. I also want to include that this part is optional. Below, there is another text box. Please assign an address title for future reference. In this part, you are required to fill out any address title for your future reference. For example, I type in my organic vegetable items. Once you're done, click Save button to continue.